Hey, what's up guys? This is just a quick review for this TV stand here. This is called the WALI Universal TV stand, and it says it fits TVs from 22 inch to 65 inch. Now I have a 65 incher here, and I was reluctant at first because some people said it wouldn't fit under 65 inch. However, it fit my LG 65 inch no problem. And this was actually pretty simple to set up. I think it probably took me maybe 15 minutes to put it all together. Now I have some cons. I mean, mostly pros, but cons. I mean, first of all, I think I only paid like $16 for it. It's definitely worth it. I wasn't sure because it was inexpensive and it just had like those metal things on there. I didn't think that it was going to be stable enough, but I mean, this is actually just as stable as my original legs here. Now you see this TV entertainment system I have. The reason why I had to get this is because these here would basically be on the very edge. And this is dangerous with kids like running around and things like that. So you can see the legs are right here. Now what I can do too is I can adjust the where my TV sits on the stand. I can actually go lower. You can see the original footing here. I can actually put this bottom. It can actually go up to here, okay? Or I can raise this TV about 5 inches from here. So the bottom of the TV would be here, and then you would see the stand right there. Also note that on the bottom here, there is like a rubber padding, okay? Now, one of the cons that I found, if you look on the back of my TV here, now you can see the original leg here, see how short that is? So I like to have my TV all the way back. With this stand here, that's the furthest it's going to go back. So it's kind of going to have like a little gap like that. But that's perfectly fine. I'll show you the back of the TV in 1 second. But another con I want to note too, is you can see how the leg like sticks out like really far in the front as well. So if you have like a sound bar, I originally wanted to put this like flat, you know, with the original legs, but with this here, I had to put it on top of the leg, okay? So it kind of goes and there's like a little so, I mean, this is like okay the way it is, like this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the TV on the stand just a little bit so I can slide this all the way back there so there isn't like protruding out. I kind of want it like flush. So here's the back of the TV here, and you can see the stand here. So on this 65-inch LG TV, I mean, you have two of these screws or Versa screws. So I got, I mean, two on one side, one here that goes into the TV, other goes into TV. This goes into TV here, and it goes here. And you can see this bar that we put together, and you can see the stand here. And like I said, we can still move this leg down, or we can move it up. I'm going to go ahead and move it down like a little bit so I can fit my sound bar like flush underneath here. Before I forget, but let me show you. When you get the box, it comes with tons of different kind of screws, different sizes. You just got to fit one to fit your TV. And you even have like these like rubber things on here if the screws are like too big. But I only had to use, I mean, this is all the stuff left over for me. Okay, so it's pretty easy to put together. You just got to find a screw that screws in to your back. I want to go ahead and move this down a little bit, just a little bit, so I can fit my sound bar under here. I took one screw out here and the other one is over here. Let me just pull that out. And now you can see I can go ahead and like move this down and up. Okay. Anyway, I mean, that's how you do it. I got to take these off too. Okay, so I took the original legs off. I raised it up a little bit, and now you can see my sound bar can go flush into there. And like I said, good. It's pretty sturdy, really surprised. But the one thing is I don't like how the TV is so far. I like the TVs to go back a little bit more. But anyway, overall, I'm happy.